Welcome to 2024, your most stylish year yet. Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest interior design trends for 2024. Get ready to be inspired because we're about to unlock a whole new level of chic for your living spaces. You know, interior design is one of the most practical applications of creativity, whether most people consciously realize it or not. It's about taking the space you have and making it a reflection of you. And the best part? It doesn't have to be a complete overhaul. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that make the biggest impact. So, whether you're thinking about a complete renovation or just want to refresh your home with a few key pieces, stick around because I'm sharing all the hottest trends that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Back to the future. Vintage vibes are back. Okay, so let's talk vintage because honestly, what's old is new again. The charm of vintage styles is making a grand comeback, and it's more exciting than ever. We're seeing a huge resurgence of vintage and retro styles, and it's not just about recreating the past. It's about blending the best of both worlds. It's about mixing those timeless pieces with modern elements to create a space that's both stylish and full of personality. This fusion brings a unique charm to any home. Think mid-century modern furniture with sleek lines and organic shapes. These designs are not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Picture those iconic chairs with the tapered legs. They're back and more popular than ever. These pieces are timeless and can fit into any decor style. And don't be afraid to mix and match different eras. Combining different styles can create a truly eclectic and personalized space. You can pair a vintage velvet sofa with a contemporary coffee table, or add a vintage rug to a room with modern art on the walls. This mix adds depth and character. The key here is to choose pieces that speak to you. Your home should reflect your personality and style. Don't be afraid to scour antique stores, flea markets, or even your grandma's attic for those hidden gems. These places are treasure troves of unique finds. A little bit of history can go a long way in adding warmth and character to your home. These pieces tell a story and bring a sense of nostalgia. And remember, it's all about balance. You want to create a harmonious space where vintage and modern elements complement each other. You don't want your home to look like a time capsule. Instead, aim for a balanced mix that feels both fresh and timeless. The goal is to create a space that feels fresh and modern while still paying homage to the past. This approach keeps your decor dynamic and interesting. One of my favorite ways to incorporate vintage is through lighting. Unique lighting fixtures can be a focal point in any room. A Sputnik chandelier or a pair of vintage sconces can instantly elevate a space. These pieces add a touch of glamour and sophistication. And don't forget about textiles. They are an easy way to introduce vintage elements. Vintage rugs, throws, and pillows can add texture, color, and a touch of nostalgia. These items can transform a room and make it feel more inviting. But vintage isn't just about furniture and decor, it's a lifestyle choice. It's also about embracing a slower, more intentional way of life. This means appreciating the beauty in everyday moments. It's about appreciating quality craftsmanship and investing in pieces that will last a lifetime. These items are not just beautiful, but also durable. So embrace the vintage vibe and give your home a touch of timeless elegance. This style is all about creating a space that feels lived in and loved. Trust me, it's a trend that never goes out of style. Vintage vibes are here to stay, and they bring a sense of history and charm to any home. Mother Earth meets modern design. Now, let's talk about something that's close to my heart: sustainability. It's not just a buzzword, it's a way of life that we all need to embrace. In 2024, it's not just a trend, it's a necessity. Our planet's health depends on the choices we make today. We're all becoming more conscious of our impact on the planet, and that's reflected in our design choices. Every decision counts. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials are taking center stage, and for good reason. They help reduce our carbon footprint. We're talking about materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, organic cotton, and recycled plastic. Each of these has unique benefits. These materials are not only good for the environment, but they also add a unique and natural beauty to our homes. They bring a touch of nature indoors. Think about it. Bamboo is a fast-growing, renewable resource that can be used for flooring, furniture, and even decor. It's versatile and sustainable. Reclaimed wood tells a story, adding character and history to a space. Each piece is unique and has its own past. And organic cotton is not only soft and comfortable, but it's also better for your health and the environment. It's free from harmful chemicals. And the best part? Sustainable design doesn't mean sacrificing style. You can have a chic, modern home that's also eco-friendly. In fact, some of the most beautiful and innovative designs are being created using eco-friendly materials. Creativity thrives within these constraints. We're seeing stunning furniture pieces made from recycled plastic, which helps reduce waste and promotes recycling. Lighting fixtures crafted from bamboo, which add a warm, natural glow to any room, and textiles woven from organic cotton. The possibilities are endless. You can create a cohesive, sustainable look throughout your home. But sustainability goes beyond just the materials we use. It's a holistic approach to living. It's also about choosing quality over quantity, investing in pieces that will last, and reducing our overall consumption. Longevity is key. So, when you're designing your home, think about the impact your choices are making. Be mindful and intentional. Choose sustainable materials, support eco-conscious brands, and create a space that's as beautiful as it is responsible. Together, we can make a difference. Chapter 3. Making the most of every inch multifunctional spaces. Let's face it, our lives are busier than ever. We're working from home, working out at home, and trying to squeeze in some relaxation time, all within the same four walls. That's why multifunctional spaces are becoming increasingly popular. It's all about maximizing every inch of your home and creating spaces that can adapt to your ever-changing needs. Think about it. A living room that can easily transform into a home office, a guest room that doubles as a workout space, or a kitchen island that serves as both a prep area and a dining table. The key to creating a successful multifunctional space is to choose furniture that's versatile and adaptable. Think about pieces that can serve multiple purposes, like a sofa that converts into a bed or a coffee table that lifts up to create a dining surface. And don't forget about storage. Multifunctional spaces require clever storage solutions to keep things organized and clutter-free. Look for furniture with built-in storage, like ottomans with hidden compartments or beds with drawers underneath. Another great way to create a multifunctional space is to use room dividers. They can help to define different areas within a larger room, creating a sense of separation and privacy. And don't be afraid to get creative. Think outside the box and come up with unique solutions that work for your space and your lifestyle. Chapter 4. Color outside the lines, bold hues and patterns. Get ready to embrace your inner maximalist because in 2024, we're saying goodbye to boring beige and hello to bold colors and patterns. This year, it's all about making a statement and letting your personality shine through your home decor. This trend is all about injecting personality and vibrancy into our homes. It's about creating spaces that are lively, energetic, and full of character. We're seeing rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red taking center stage. These colors are not just eye-catching, but also add depth and richness to any room. These colors add a sense of luxury and sophistication to any space. They make your home feel more opulent and inviting. But it's not just about solid colors. The magic really happens when you start playing with patterns. Patterns are also having a major moment. Think bold floral prints, geometric designs, and even animal prints. These patterns can add a playful and dynamic element to your decor. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns to create a look that's both eclectic and cohesive. The key is to find a balance that feels right for you. One of my favorite ways to incorporate bold colors and patterns is through textiles. A colorful rug, throw pillows, or curtains can instantly transform a room. These elements are easy to change and can make a big impact. And don't forget about wallpaper. It's a great way to add a statement wall and create a focal point in any space. Wallpaper can bring in texture and pattern in a way that paint simply can't. It's a great way to add a statement wall and create a focal point in any space. A well-chosen wallpaper can be the centerpiece of your room. But remember, balance is key. Too much of a good thing can be overwhelming. When working with bold colors and patterns, it's important to create a sense of harmony. You want your space to feel inviting, not chaotic. You don't want your space to feel overwhelming. A balanced approach ensures that your decor is both striking and comfortable. A good rule of thumb is to choose one or two bold elements and then balance them out with more neutral tones and textures. This way, the bold elements stand out without overpowering the room. For example, you could pair a bold patterned rug with a neutral sofa and walls, or you could use colorful throw pillows to add pops of color to a more subdued space. These small touches can make a big difference. So don't be afraid to experiment with color and pattern. It's a fun and creative way to make your home truly yours. It's a great way to express your personal style and create a space that feels truly unique. Your home should be a reflection of who you are, so let your creativity run wild. Chapter 5. Hello Future, Integrating Smart Home Technology. Okay, let's talk about the future, because it's here, and it's smarter than ever. Smart home technology is no longer a luxury. It's becoming an integral part of our homes, and in 2024, it's more integrated and intuitive than ever before. We're talking about everything from smart lighting and thermostats to voice-activated assistants and automated window treatments. These technologies not only make our lives more convenient, but they can also help us save energy and money. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, thanks to your smart coffee maker that's programmed to start brewing at a certain time. Or picture adjusting the temperature of your home with just your voice, even when you're not there. Smart home technology is all about creating a seamless and personalized living experience. And the best part? It's becoming more and more accessible. There are now a wide range of smart home devices available at different price points, so you can easily find something that fits your budget and your needs. But it's not just about the gadgets themselves. It's about how they integrate into our homes and our lives. We're seeing a trend towards more discreet and stylish smart home devices that blend seamlessly into our decor. So, embrace the future and create a home that's as smart as it is stylish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and trends. Remember, your home is your sanctuary and safe haven. It's a reflection of your personality, your style, and your values. So don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and create a space that you absolutely love. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more exciting design ideas.